Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing of my Juno & Co. box that I got in the mail today. So I'll see you there. Alright, so this is my box that I got for Juno & Co. So we're just going to open it and see what we got. Okay. Yeah, just invoice. Okay, so we got the microfiber sponge, and they come in these cool little resealable bags. So I usually keep mine in there. I got 3 of them, and these were all on sale for 60% off. And also,
They're the same.
Yeah, they're pretty much all the same. They just have a little bit of a different shape to them. This one would be for more of your contouring and sculpting. This would be for like the under eyes and your all over areas. And then this is also another kind of contouring and angled sculpting brush as well, or sponge mostly. And then also for ordering it, you get these lashes. They're called lollipop lashes. For like 70 cents, and I wanted to give them a try. They're each different styles. And then there's this 3D one, which was like $1. You got to get that if you got the 6. Yeah, there's one of the lollipops. There's like, I think 6 of them. There's another one. Sorry if there's a glare, guys. I'll show you more when I do more of a review. So you can see they go from like full to wispy and more natural looking for some of them. So there's those. And then we give another good look at the 3D lashes. A lot of these were super sold out during their sale, so I was very limited to what I was able to pick. And then I really was hoping to try these out soon. These are 2 different eyeshadow palettes. One is called Prism Makeup from the Supreme Spectrus or something like that. I can't read it very well. And then, Spectrum. And then this one is just the Spectrum palette. And we'll give this a little open, just give it a look. And I like how they come nicely wrapped. That way you know that there's no germs and gunk and stuff in there. And it's got this really nice textured and kind of matte filling package here. Let's see how it opens. Oh, it just comes out. And then the box itself actually feels like the cover, which is kind of fun. And then it has the plastic cover, which is always nice to know. They did seem to get a little bit damaged maybe on a couple of the colors, but not too bad. And I'll do a better review on them later. It's just to kind of give you a look. The other one. And this one has that same kind of texture packaging to it. And this one's supposed to be more for everyday use. Has more of the nudes and some of the shimmers to them. Let me move the packaging. Is that better? Yeah. And of course you just see the mirror. It's kind of, it's got a little cover on it so it doesn't get all smudged. This one survived the shipping better. But I'll do like swatches and everything like that in another video. But that's my Juno & Co. box for the 60% off sale that they had. And if you would like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos, and also share, and I think there's an all button now. And hit the bell notifications, and I will see you on the next one.